Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with an Epson printer that's flashing all its lights and driving you crazy, don't worry, we've got you covered. This is a common issue in 2025 models, often caused by simple things like paper jams or software glitches. In this video, I'll guide you through easy, step-by-step fixes that anyone can do at home. Let's dive right in. First, start with the basics. Turn off your printer and unplug it from the power source. Wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. Sometimes, a simple restart does the trick and resets any temporary errors. Next, check for paper jams. Open the printer's cover and carefully inspect the paper tray and internal rollers for any stuck paper. Gently remove it if you find any, making sure not to tear it or damage the printer. Once clear, close the cover and try printing a test page. Now, let's look at the ink cartridges. Ensure they're properly seated. Open the cartridge compartment, remove each one, and reinsert them firmly. If your cartridges are low or expired, replace them. This could be why the lights are flashing. Remember, using genuine Epson ink helps avoid compatibility issues. If that doesn't work, update your printer drivers. Head to the Epson website, download the latest drivers for your model, and install them on your computer. Outdated software is a frequent culprit in 2025 printers, so keeping things up to date is key. For more stubborn problems, try a factory reset. This will erase custom settings, so note them down first. Press and hold the reset button, usually on the control panel, for about 10 seconds until the lights stop flashing. Then, set it up again. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it might be a hardware problem. Contact Epson support or visit a certified technician. They're equipped to handle advanced diagnostics. There you have it. Simple solutions to get your Epson printer back up and running. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.